how do astronauts see in space? Because it's completely black up there. I love this question. Throughout our culture, and throughout the recorded history of our culture, there are references to dark and light, and the way in which they are in an eternal struggle, that they represent an eternal struggle, that the light is always trying to win out over the dark, which is always trying to cover everything. Well, the reality is very, very different. Space is full of light. In fact, darkness is the rarest commodity in the universe. Even here on Earth, the only places where you can find true darkness are in deep caves in the Earth's crust. And in fact, if you go deeper into the Earth, the deeper layers actually start producing light at the infrared end of the spectrum as the Earth's core, the deeper you get, gets hotter. Space looks black. It looks black because the human visual system is not based on absolutes of light and dark. It's not based on absolutes even of colour or of texture. The human visual system is based on contrast, the relative brightness between bright things. But we've a tendency to think in absolutes. So we tend to think about dark and light as if they are things in themselves. Because actually, that makes things much easier to describe. When you look up at the night sky, the space that you see between the stars is full of light. But where you see a star, there is so much more light that the space looks black by comparison.